In today's Tech Bytes, Android users in Ukraine can now get air raid alerts directly on their phones. ABC's Mona Kosar-Abdi has the details.
In today's Tech Bytes, Google is planning to send air raid alerts directly to Android phones across Ukraine. The company announced that it is working with Ukrainian officials to launch the system to warn of incoming attacks. The Android pings will be based on official alerts sent by the government. Pop sockets have saved countless phones from falling out of your hands. Now comes a new one that can save you from a dead battery. The Pop Grip Jumpstart Lightning is actually a stick-on spare battery that can revive your phone when you're on the run. Finally, Nintendo will open its first theme park in the U.S. next year. Super Nintendo World will feature a ride and interactive area based on a Super Mario video game. A similar park already exists in Japan. The one here will be part of Universal Studios Hollywood. And we will all be kids again. Those are your Tech Bites. Have a great day.